are going to love the 2019 Audi A6. The large executive favorite, the Audi A6, remains a cornerstone of the market. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, power passenger seat, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.